Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the complex world of financial markets and make them accessible to everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating AUDUSD pair, which has been making headlines lately. We'll be examining the latest news surrounding the Australian dollar and the US dollar, and then we'll get our hands dirty analyzing the chart data to understand the current market sentiment. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and insights you need to make informed trading decisions, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. So, let's get started and see what the charts have to say about the future of AUDUSD. First, let's take a look at the latest news surrounding the AUDUSD. The Australian dollar has been under pressure in recent days, as the US dollar has strengthened following former President Donald Trump's election victory. This victory has led to an increase in U.S. Treasury bond yields, making the U.S. dollar more attractive to investors. However, there are also factors that could support the Australian dollar in the coming weeks. The Reserve Bank of Australia's hawkish stance on interest rates, combined with the anticipation of Chinese stimulus measures, could give the AUD a boost. It's important to remember that currency markets are constantly influenced by a multitude of factors, so staying up to date with the latest news is crucial for successful trading. Now, let's turn our attention to the AUDUSD chart and see what it reveals about the current market sentiment. We're starting with the daily chart to get a long-term perspective. The first thing that stands out is the recent downtrend, with AUDUSD breaking below several key support levels. This downtrend suggests that the market is bearish on AUDUSD in the near term. However, it's important to note that the downtrend has slowed in recent days, indicating that the market may be approaching a potential reversal point. The recent decline has brought AUDUSD to a significant support level around 0.6550. This level has acted as support in the past, and it's a key level to watch for potential bullish signals. If AUDUSD breaks above this level, it could indicate a change in market sentiment and signal a potential short-term uptrend. However, if AUDUSD fails to break above 0.6550 and continues to decline, it could suggest that the downtrend will persist in the near term. It's important to be cautious when trading near support and resistance levels, as price action can be unpredictable. Let's zoom in and examine the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed view of the recent price action. The 1-hour chart shows that AUDUSD has been consolidating in a range between 0.6600 and 0.6650 in the last few days. This consolidation suggests that the market is indecisive about the future direction of AUDUSD. The price action has been characterized by small, choppy candles, indicating that buyers and sellers are struggling to gain control. This consolidation is a classic sign of indecision and could be a precursor to a breakout in either direction. We'll need to pay close attention to the price action near the top and bottom of this range for potential breakout signals. If AUDUSD breaks above 0.6650, it could indicate a potential short-term uptrend. However, if AUDUSD breaks below 0.6600, it could suggest that the downtrend will resume in the near term. It's important to wait for a confirmed breakout before entering a trade, as false breakouts can lead to losses. The 15-minute chart provides us with even more granular detail about the recent price action. The chart shows that AUDUSD has been trading in a tight range between 0.6630 and 0.6650 in the last few hours. This range is characterized by small candles, indicating that buyers and sellers are evenly matched. The price action is choppy with no clear directional bias. This range-bound price action can be frustrating for traders, as it offers few clear trading opportunities. However, it's important to remember that ranges can often precede a breakout in either direction. We'll need to wait for a confirmed breakout before entering a trade, as false breakouts can lead to losses. It's important to note that the range has been narrowing in recent hours, which could suggest that a breakout is approaching. We'll need to pay close attention to the price action near the top and bottom of this range for potential breakout signals. In summary, the AUDUSD market is currently in a state of flux, with both bullish and bearish forces at play. The daily chart suggests that the market is bearish in the near term, but a potential reversal point is approaching. The 1-hour chart shows consolidation, indicating indecision and a possible breakout in either direction. The 15-minute chart reveals tight range-bound price action, which could be a precursor to a breakout. It's important to remain cautious when trading AUDUSD, as the market is currently volatile and unpredictable. The key price levels to watch are 0.6550 on the daily chart and 0.6600 and 0.6650 on the 1-hour chart. A breakout above 0.6650 on the 1-hour chart would indicate a potential short-term uptrend. However, a break below 0.6600 on the 1-hour chart or a failure to break above 0.6550 on the daily chart could signal a continuation of the downtrend. It's also important to monitor the news surrounding the Australian dollar and the US dollar, as this can provide valuable insight into the market's direction. Remember, the key to successful trading is patience, discipline, and a thorough understanding of the market.